Hey, welcome to the shortwave radio channel. And you know what? I've been using Preview 2, of course, of SDRconnect. Preview 1 was missing too many things that I didn't like. And I used it a little bit just to see how it goes. But I was using the original SDRplay, our software SDRuno. But I have to say that with Preview 2, I kind of switched. I like, first of all, I find it more modern, and that is nice. And it actually gives me a few things that now I like. I can even click the frequency here, or, it's not perfect. It's still missing interesting things that I need, but I do have the possibility of, punching in a frequency using the keypad entry here if I want, and so on. And I'm missing one feature I would like that, and I guess it might come, but I do want one feature is that if I click here, that I could just type in the numbers and it would actually go and type the frequency. That I'd like, but for now I can cope with the way it works. But I've been finding that I use SDRconnect Preview 2 and am okay with it. So slowly they're implementing some of the features. It's interesting to play around with the different settings too. And I like the fact that this panel here actually gives access to a lot of things that are easy to find just right there, including, for example, the audio device. Sometimes I'm in the videos, and the videos, I have a console. In my console, I have to go and get it here, which is this. And this, of course, gives the sound of the software. Here you go. But sometimes I want to make a video, and I don't want to lower the audio necessarily, but I do want to do the video and hear somewhere else. And in this case, hear it on the TV. So I use Beyond TV here. Now it's playing on the TV, and I can hear what's happening there, but it's not interfering as much with the video I'm making and the audio of my voice. And it's nice to have these settings kind of right there, easy to find, including all the audio filter settings and so on. So, it's a work in progress still, but it's slowly getting there. And I think that's what they're trying to do. And I think, if you want to help them, don't hesitate to contact SDRplay and tell them, this is what I'd like, or this is what I want, or this is a feature that's missing, or this should be different. Because I'm pretty sure that as they are actually programming and constructing this software, they want it to be like you want to be. Not like, they're having ideas and they're trying different things. But the thing is, if they can implement features that the people that own RSP device, want, I'm sure that's a big, big goal of them. So, don't hesitate to contact them and let them know. But I think as the Preview 2 is the first one that I can say that, I'm going to click on that rather than going back to SDRuno when I use it. And I think that's already a good step forward. It means that, they're starting to implement features and things that I like. If you are using it, by the way, don't hesitate to comment below and let me know what do you like it, don't you like it, what's is there something in there that you're not really yet you makes you go back to the original, but personally, I'll probably go back from time to time there because I'm used to SDRuno. I know this is a new interface and it's a different way of working and different features, so sometimes you got to get used to it, but slowly I'm getting the hang of it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.